Hello, good morning, children. Today we are going to start a lesson water. See, lesson number 3 water. See, after studying this lesson, identify the uses of water in daily life. Okay, what is water, children? Water is God's gift to us. It is very useful in many way and sources. Why do we need water, children? Why do we need water? Water is the importance of water. We all need water to live. Plants, animals, and all living beings need water. Is it? Yes, water is one of the basic in our life, and we need water for many reasons, like we to keep us clean. Okay, and what is water? How it tastes? Water is tasteless. You can add sugar or salt. Water is colorless. Water is shapeless. It takes shape as liquid contains. So we need water in many sources. Water is very important to everyone to live, and also water is very precious. We should not waste water. We should not throw the waste into the water. So always we have to save the water. Here, look at the picture and say the story. Which story is this, children? This is a thirsty crow. You all have learnt in your previous classes, is it? Yes. See then, what is the picture one shows here? See, what is this? Thirsty crow story. So, we all know the crow story. A crow was flying and searching for water here in this picture. And it sees a pot. See here, it sees a pot with the water. What it is doing? Here in the third place, it is collecting the pebbles one by one and putting into the pot. And at last he get the water and he drank the water and flew away happily. Why is the crow doing this, children? Because crow is thirsty, so it thought an idea and it drank the water and flew away happily. See page number 23. Here you can see a plant drying up, but now the plant looks so fresh. How? See here you can see the plant is drying up. So and after that after she watering the plants, the plant become like this and it gives us flower. How? Even plants and trees and animals need water like us. Is it? Yes. Where she is watering the plants. Plants also need water for to grow bigger. Is it? Yes. Here, what are the things you do at home using water? Put tick mark in the box for the picture to show them. What are the uses we are doing, children? We need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, and agriculture, transporting and many purpose like farming, cleaning, everything we need water. We'll see one by one and tick it down. Okay. See here what in one picture shows here is washing face or brushing his teeth. And number 2 is bathing. See here what is doing is bathing. So tick it. And here he is cutting the vegetables. Yes, we need water for cutting the vegetables too. And we need water for cooking. We tick that fourth place. Here in the fifth place, she is washing the vessels. Yes, we need water for washing vessels. Here in the sixth place, he is watering the bathroom. So we should clean our toilet with the water. Yes. Here he is washing the clothes with water. We used to use water for washing the clothes. Here she is using the water for drinking. Whenever we feel thirsty, we have to drink water. So the water is used for drinking. And here, name the things you do using water in your school. Look, is it you use the name the things you do using water in your school? Yes, we use the water for washing our toilets, to clean the classroom and clean our surroundings. Yes, and we use the water to keep our surroundings clean. Okay, look at the pictures given below. Say whether where else we use water. See, he is mixing the water with the mud to building the house, and the animal is drinking water. Here cow is drinking water, and he is farming. So agriculture, he is doing agriculture. We need water for the agriculture or farming. He is washing the vehicles. Even we need water for the to wash the vehicles. Here he is washing the cow. He is washing animals. Even we need water to clean the animals. Here he is watering the garden, plants. So we need water to plants to grow the growth for our daily life for the food. Okay, otherwise the plants will be dried, we will not get the food. So we used to water the plants daily. Yes, here, from where do you get water for your house? Put tick mark in the picture given below. So here is there many ways we get how water. Different sources we get water. From where do we get water? Well and tank. Then this is water tank. This is borewell, pond, river, and borewells, dams. And mainly we get water from rain. We get from rain. Okay, pure water we'll get from the rain only. So where, how you get water in your house? You tick down. We'll get water from our house. Okay, children. So how do we get water through taps? Ask elders and find out, children. How do we get waters from? Here they are given different types. You can tick it over here. So next page number 26. Sing and enjoy. Okay. I need water. I need water for drinking, cooking and bathing too. I need water. I need water for building, farming and sailing too. I need water. I need water for plants and animals, me and you. Okay, this is a rhymes. Mime these actions. Drinking. Do the actions how you drink water. Washing face. Rowing the boat. Flowing river. Bathing. Washing clothes. Dog drinking water. Watering the plants. Do the actions and see kids. Here play the game. Play the game in the pond and on the bank with your friends. It is very nice game you can play. All should stand in a circle. One participant should name a work we do every day. If water is used to do that work, the children should jump inside the circle. If water is not used to do that work, then the children should jump outside of the circle. So learn page number 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26 children. Learn lesson number water. Lesson number 3 water. It is very useful in the many sources. Okay. Thank you.